Hello and welcome to Sanket Creations. Today in this video we will be going through a step-by-step tutorial of painting a memory drawing, and simultaneously we will also learn its basic rules. When you start with painting a memory drawing, you should start with the background. For background you need to apply light colors because your character should look more attractive than the background. For painting a memory drawing you need to use watercolors because they are most preferred to use. They are good for mixing and they look more attractive when they get bordered. You need to work on each and every detail while you paint the background. You can also work on designing the elements on the background so that they look attractive. Once you are done with the background, you can start with the characters. Now, mixing of colors is a must for characters. If you find that in any place the color has gone outside, you can repair it when you are outlining. When you are painting the characters, you need to first apply plain paint, and once you are done with it, you can do the detailing. I am now starting with the detailing of these two characters. If you have not watched the part 1 of this video, please go and watch by clicking on the link given above. If you have not subscribed to Sanket Creations yet, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon below the video. Once you are done with it, you need to focus on the things they are wearing. You must apply brighter colors for the things the characters are wearing because they are in the main focus of the viewer. As we did for the skins of the characters, here also in the same way we need to first apply plain paint and then we will go for the detailing. Now I have started with the detailing. We can make the hairs while outlining, so no need to paint them. After detailing, we need to go for outlining. As usual, while outlining, we need to enhance each and every detail of the memory drawing. In this way, we will enhance each and every part and character of the memory drawing. This is the finished memory drawing we have learned today. Thanks for watching. Do like the video and leave a comment below. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. You can take a screenshot of the memory drawing from here.